Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rafiq Muhammad bin Muhammad Jafri. My student ID is 20251436.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Nasrul Nafis bin Maliki. My matric number is 2025163603.
Haziq bin Muhammad Yusof. My matric number is 0205P052.
Hello guys, my name is Wang Muhammad Abi Ashraf bin Wang Muhammad Asri. Student ID 2025126511.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Ahmad Aiman bin Muhammad Iman. My matric number is 2025305553.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So, what is compound interest? First, compound interest computation is based on the principle which change from time to time. Second, interest that is earned is compounded or converted into principal that in interest thereafter. The formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket to power of N and I equal to, and this is initial you need to know before answer the question. S is maturity value, P is principal value, I is periodic interest rate, and I capital is for amount of interest, N is for MT, and K is for nominal interest rate, M is frequency, N is number of interest period, and T time year, and I equal to K. For the case study 1, Amira invested around 15,000 ringgit in an investment chain for 12 years. The investment rate offer was 4.5% compounded quarterly for the first 7 years and 6% compounded every 2 months for the rest of the period. The question is, find the future value of the investment. First of all, we need to list down all the information given into the formula. The formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of N. For the first 7 years, 15,000 bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 4 bracket to the power of 38. And the answer is 20,570 ringgit and 77 cents. For the last 5 years, 20,517 ringgit and 77 cents bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 6 bracket to the power of 30. And the last answer is 27,654
equal RM 2,436.25 cent. K equal 0.048. T equal 5 years. M equal 12. Let's go the formula. S equal P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power of MT. Just put the list in the formula. 2,436.25 cent equal P bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 12 bracket power of 5 times dot 12. P equal 2,436.25 over bracket 1 plus 0.048 12 over 12 bracket 16. The final answer is P equal RM 1,950.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to go through a financial mathematics case study involving compound interest. Let's say Liza made a deposit of RM 15,000 into a bank account. This account earn interest at a rate of K%, which is we don't know what amount of K, compounded semi-annually. After 48 months, the total value in her account grew to RM 38,635.71. Our goal to determine the value of the interest rate, which is K, based on the question. Let's go through to the case study 1, question 2. Step 1, we have to identify what we know. From the question, we have P equal to 50,000, S equal to 87,110.6, K equal to 0.07, M equal to 4. Step 2, we have to use the compound interest formula. And step 3, we have to simplify the question. Step 4, we need to divide both sides by 50,000. Step 5, we have to apply logarithms to solve for T. Step 6, which is final calculation using our calculator. The answer is T equal to 8 years. So in conclusion, Raja's investment grew from RM 50,000 to RM 87,110.67 in 8 years at 7% compounded quarterly. That's all from me, and let's move on to the annuity content.
Move on to the next chapter, annuity. So what is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payment made at equal interval of time. Example of annuity: shop rental, insurance policy, annual dividend, and receipt or installment payment. And this is the sneak peek of something you need to know before answer the question. S is for future of maturity value, A is for present or initial value, I capital is for amount of interest, I is for periodic interest rate, N is for number of payment, and R for periodic payment.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. We have a case study 2, which is a famous question in exam. So let me begin with. Harry borrowed 50,000 ringgit from a bank which charge 5% compound monthly. He paid the loan by making 48 monthly payment. Find his monthly payment. The question want us to find the monthly payment. So monthly payment is R. We have to find the value of R. A equals to 50,000, R equals to, we don't know yet, K equals to 0.05, M equals to 12, T equals to 4. So let's put this number into the formula. 50,000 ringgit equals to R multiply by 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12. The power of bracket is negative 48 over 0.05 over 12. So guys, we have put R in front because we are looking for the value of R. So the answer is R equals to 50,000 ringgit times 0.05 over 12 over 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12. So the power of negative is 48. So the final answer is 1,100, 150, 1 and 46 cents. This is case study 2, question B. So let's start. Darren wishes to accumulate 400,000 ringgit by making payment of 7,500 ringgit at the end of each quarter. If he gets 6% compound quarterly on his money, how many regular payment will he make? The question wants us to find the value of N. The information I got from the question is S equals to 400,000 ringgit, R equals to 7,500 ringgit, K equals to 0.06 and M equals to 4. Let's put this number into the formula. So 400,000 ringgit equals to 7,500 multiplied by bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 4 and the power of N minus 1 over 0.06 over 4. 4,100 ringgit times 0.06 over 4 over 7,500 ringgit equals to bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 4 and the power of N minus 1. So we got 0.8 equals to bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 4 and the power of N minus 1. So we got bracket 1 plus 0.015 and the power of N equals to 1.8. You guys know why 1.8 was in the front then move to the back? Because we want to find the value of N. That's why N should move the forward, and it's a basic mathematics you guys should know. Let's continue. Please use your calculator and put the IN symbol, then just enter the number based on the answer above. So it will be like this: IN 1.015 N equals to IN 1.8. So N must be in front. So we got N equals to IN bracket 1.8 over IN bracket 1.015. So the answer is 39 and 48 cents. The answer not be like this because some payment are made quarterly. The number of payment must be whole number. So we got the final answer is 40 ringgit. Thank you.
For case study 2, Raika purchased a condominium at a cost of 600,000, 50,000 at paid and paid 10% down payment. He took a loan to settle the balance at a bank that charged him an interest rate of 5% compound monthly. He was required to pay equal monthly payment for 35 years to settle the loan. For the question 1, calculate the monthly payment amount of loan. As you can see, Raika purchased a condominium for 650,000 ringgit and paid 10% down payment, which amount to 65,000 ringgit. 65,000 ringgit. 10 over 100 times 650,000 ringgit, and we get 65,000 ringgit. Then 650,000 ringgit minus 65,000 ringgit, and we get 585,000 ringgit. From the sentence above, you can see the bank charged an annual interest rate of 5% compound monthly. 5% convert to decimal, you get K equal 0.05, M equal 12, and T equal 25 years. Just use this formula: A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power of minus N over K over M bracket, and just put the number into the formula. 585,000 ringgit equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 bracket power of minus 12 times 25 over 0.05 over 12 bracket, and you get R equal 585,000 ringgit times 0.05 over 12 over 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 bracket power of minus 300, and the final answer is 3,419.85 cents. For the question 2, if Raika failed to pay the first 5 monthly payment, find the amount he had to pay on the 6th payment to settle outstanding arrears. Use this formula: S equal R bracket 1 plus K over M bracket and power of N minus 1 over K over M bracket, and just put number into the formula. S equal RM 3,419.85 cents bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 bracket power of 6 minus 1 over 0.05 over 12 bracket, and the final answer is RM 20,734.03.
As you can see, 20 times 12, and you can get equal 2040, and 300 minus 2040, and you can get N equal 6. The formula is A equal R bracket 1 minus 1 plus K over M bracket power of minus N over K over M bracket. You just put the number on the formula. A equal RM 3419.85 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 bracket power of minus 19 over 0.05 over 12 bracket, and you can get the final answer is RM 181,220.27.